Hey, it's Wednesday. Hey there, everyone. Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders.com here. One of the fewest lives from Thailand, Koh Phangan. Vacation is almost over. Back to China coming Saturday, so next week. Be prepared. We are going back to normal. How are you this morning? How are you this evening, this afternoon, wherever you are in the world? Who's with me? Say hi. Don't be shy. Hi Nadav, Erez, Eden, hi, Eran, Faiz, Ingrid, hi, slash. Would love to know what's your name. Although slash is a great name. How are you this morning? Hi Allah, thank you very much for joining this live. I appreciate each and every one of you taking your time off from your busy schedule and joining me every day for this pre-market preparations live. So as always, we will go over first futures. What do we see? Zoom in, zoom out. Futures 2 hours sliding down, as you can see. On the short term, in the past few days, we have lower highs, lower lows. In my opinion, we are going to retest this area, the 50-50 area. Below it, we will enter the yellow zone, which is the most dangerous zone in trading. 15 minutes futures looks like this. Still inside the downtrend channel, trying to get back inside and break above the downtrend channel, back inside the yellow zone. I want to see continuation above the 50-70, and then we have some kind of a double bottom scenario that can take us all the way back to 50-80. What else do we have? Let's talk about Bitcoin, how the Bitcoin is looking this morning. Another 6%. Bitcoin, cryptos, everything, all the crypto land is in a bull mania. Look at the 3 last candles. 5.2, 4.8, it's 9, it's 10, plus 5.7, 15, almost 11, almost 16%. What happened to my math today? I don't know. 16% to the upside. We are at the 61, ladies and gentlemen. We are already 61. Where are all the furus that scared us that Bitcoin is going to disappear? Ladies and gentlemen, the Bitcoin is here. The Bitcoin will not disappear. Look at Ethereum. Uptrend. Massive uptrend on Ethereum. Above 3360, we will see 4,000, and then can we get 5,000 and 5,800? Ladies and gentlemen, we are in a bull's market all across the board, led by the crypto land. Let's check the bit miners on and all these names that are follows Bitcoin. CIFR uptrend channel. We have earnings coming up. When? Next Tuesday. So, but until then, long continuation, 370 towards the 457. Wolf, WULF, above the yellow zone, inside the buy, inside an uptrend channel, above the buy signal. Let's see continuation towards the 273, and then 345 and 464. Mara going up. Mara today, after the bell, we have earnings, so careful with Mara, but as long as Bitcoin will continue to surge, Mara follows it. Mara uptrend channel until proven otherwise. Next 43, 60 and 77 to the upside. What crypto miners, what are the crypto stocks that you are holding? Share in the chat. What are your holding positions in general? What are you swinging? What are you day trading? Let me know. Super interested to know more about your holdings, more about your trading journey. That way I can provide more helpful information. So let me know in the chat, what kind of information do you want? Not only chart requests, but more general information, more educational resources, more that you want from me to share with you. Not just chart requests. Chart requests anybody can do. I'm not here only for chart requests, of course. It's part of this is the YouTube, this is the purpose, but it's not the sole purpose. The sole purpose of this YouTube channel is to help each and every one of you to become a better trader. So if you share my holdings with me, your holdings with me, I can help you manage your position, take a better point of view of price action. You know what I mean. Anything here that I say is not a financial advice. It's merely my opinion based on 7 years plus of experience. Financial freedom is just around the corner. You can do it. If I did it, anyone can do it. I'm not some smart A+ students with 700 on the MIT scores. No, I'm just an average Joe. So if I did it, anyone can do it with the right mentality, the right guidance, the right education tools. You can do it too. BT long above 350 towards 426. Coin already at 211, above it 270. Hot. I'm waiting for a break above the 11, and then we will see 1380 and 1840. Yes, we can see 1840. Why not? It was there. Why not go back over there? Let's make Fibonacci a little bit higher. And as you can see, swing high, swing low, long above 1080. We are entering the yellow zone towards the 1230, and then 1380, above 1380, ladies and gentlemen, 1842 on hot. Put hot on your hot list. Riot, long continuation above 1880. Inside this uptrend channel, above 1880, you will see all these levels to the upside. Micro strategy, unstoppable beast. Micro strategy, already 956, uptrend until proven otherwise. Next, 1170, BITF, Bit Farms. Long, we are in an uptrend, long above 390 towards 520. CLSK, I don't guess where price might be heading next. I use the FTI. It helps me with one click away. It gives me the uptrend channel. It gives me buy signal. This green line, risk management. The yellow zone, the most important area of support and resistance of price action. And the FTI also gives me all the levels for future resistance. So CLSK above 2390. Yes, 33, 34 is inside. This road is on the road north. So hit the like, hit the subscribe. Let me know what else do you need me. Ailai, hi Maor, take care of yourself. Thank you very much for your service. Hi David, hi Yag, thank you very much for joining. Hi Iran, I'm not cutting my vacation. On the contrary, I've extended my vacation 1 week. I should have gone back last Saturday, but I've decided I want 1 more week here in Kopangan, here in Thailand. So I've extended my vacation. Alad wants Amat. David, look bots to SMI. What do you mean? Bots? What is bots? Global robotics? Really? They have this kind of ETF? Okay, uptrend channel. Look how the FTI makes our life much more easier on the eyes. This is bots. first time I see this. Thank you very much for bringing me this on my radar. This is bots with the FTI. Look how the FTI helps us to translate price action long until proven otherwise. Your stop loss should be 30.50. What else do we have? Mara, we just did. Thank you very much. What else? What else? What else? Amat Technologies. This is Amat without the FTI. You don't know what to do. You don't know how to manage your position. You don't know if to go long or short. This is why we have the FTI, the only tool that gives you with the highest probability with up to 85% accuracy where price might be heading next. We can take also the Fibonacci a little bit tighter to the 34 level, maybe 21. Let's do 21, a little bit tighter. And as you can see, swing low, swing high, long continuation above 207 towards 219 and 235. Earnings gone. Thank you very much. I will put it on my watch list. This is why I love doing these lives. You help me also to get great trading ideas. Above 207, I'm going long on applied materials. Thank you very much. Thank you, Rag. FBTC. What is FBTC? FBTC. Fidelity Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund. What in the name is this? It's a new ETF on Bitcoin. Uptrend. As long as Bitcoin is going uptrend, everything that follows Bitcoin will go up. All you need to do, follow Bitcoin. That's it. Tesla long from 195. Tesla now is 200. Nice. Now let's see closing this gap, and I want to see a weekly close above the 205, 206 area. Now let's see where, as you can see, Tesla was on the road south. Now trying to get inside the road north, taking left from the road south, left to the road north, and here you have the broadening formation, long above 206 towards 224. If you want to know what is the broadening formation, all you need to do is check the links in the description below. Choose your path to financial freedom. This is the broadening formation on Tesla. You can do it a little bit more tighter, maybe like this. Here you have it. Broadening formation on Tesla. Clean the chart. What do you see on Tesla? You have a gap, and we know that more than 85-90% of all gaps will get filled. No one knows when. Now, short term, we are some kind of a bounce towards this gap, and the longer term, always zoom in, zoom out. What do you see on Tesla? This area, we can do it like this, a little bit more accurate. Like this maybe, like this, yes. Look how trend lines perfectly holding support and resistance. It's all about trend lines and Fibonacci, ladies and gentlemen. As long, and look at this, 618, downtrend, bounce, 618, Fibonacci 618, trend line. That's it. You see it on live, right? This is how I analyze charts. It's all about Fibonacci trend lines. Above the 205, we will go retest the 382 together with the 226. What will happen once we will hit this yellow trend line? Most probably a tough resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe fifth time is the charm. 5 is the Fibonacci number. Maybe fifth time trying to break above this yellow line. Tesla will finally do it and go back to 300. What else do we have? Beyond Meat. At earnings, post earnings, going up, crazy. Nice. If you're long on BYND, you gambled right. Now, 11 needs to hold, then 13.10, above 13.10, this gap will get filled and we will get a touch. On the 16.21, we have a double bottom scenario of the 595 that can take us all the way to the 14.96.15. Above it, 19.24. What else do we have? CLSK, BTF, Riot, we talked about. Thank you very much. What else do we have? Mobileye. Let's check. Mobileye. Mobileye, what do you see? If you cannot read the chart, FTI is here to help you. Downtrend, below the yellow zone, below, still below. We got ourselves this buy signal yesterday, but it just tells us that if we are already short on Mobileye, maybe it's time to manage our short position a little bit more tighter, because Mobileye is trying to break above the yellow zone, trying to break above this downtrend channel. Still downtrend. If you want to go long on Mobileye, or if you're already long on Mobileye and you don't have a stop loss, not just on Mobileye, this is something I tell all my students, all my Discord members. If you trade without stop loss, it's purely gambling. You're not a trader, you're a gambler. If you want to become a professional trader, you must use stop loss. No excuses. No other way to succeed in this business. No other way. There is no hope in this business. None whatsoever. Stop loss, risk management. It's the basics of the basics. Trading 101. How much are you willing to lose on each and every trade? Where you put your stop loss? How much are you willing to lose? You never know how much is the potential of the reward, but you know how much you're willing to lose. Any video explaining about it? Yes. If you go to the Fibonacci-Traders YouTube, let me share the link. I will make life easier for you. Let me share the link. You have one in English. You have also one in Hebrew, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not, because I did it. I know what I do. This is the Hebrew. If you want to join, you're more than welcome. You can join the FTI, and to get all Discord channels open for you with this link. So check it out. What else do we have? You're holding SoFi, IWM, KRE, Tesla, XBI, and AJG. I can tell you, yesterday I took SoFi. KRE, I don't like it from technical point of view. IWM looking good, above 205. I will go long as well, maybe 3x long. XBI looks very bullish. AJG looks very bullish. The only thing I don't like for long is Tesla. SoFi, if we're talking about SoFi, let's talk about SoFi. Andre, thank you very much for this amazing super chat. I appreciate you. If you have any question, let me know. You asked SoFi. Here is SoFi. Be like Andre. Support the channel. SoFi. Yesterday, I also entered long because it broke above the yellow zone. Now let's see continuation towards the 945, and then this double bottom scenario can take us all the way to 1050 and maybe even towards 11. Our stop loss is just at the 852. Yes, the FTI gives us also where to put our stop loss. And everything that you see is automation. Everything updates automatically on each and every candle, the daily and the weekly and the 5 minutes and the 1 minute. Everything. S. Let's check S. Sentinel-1. Still in an uptrend. Now got back above the yellow zone. Let's see continuation above the 29. And then you will see 3080 earnings coming up just in 2 weeks. Know your earnings. And if you are a professional trader, you know what to do. You don't go in with open position into earnings. XBI, GBTC. Tamir, you entered long or short on breakup. Or you always... What do you mean? Give me an example, Erez. Please give me an example. Hi, Amir. Thank you very much for joining. GBTC, long as Bitcoin is going up. What else do we have? Good morning, Lital from Far Jersey. Eden, thank you very much for joining. First time I think I see you here. Welcome to my channel. I appreciate taking the time and joining this live. If you're already here, not just Eden, every one of you, hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell. This channel is for you. As I said, in the end of 2023, one of my top 5 goals is to help each and every one of you, if you will take my help. In the first 6 months, we're already gone. 2 months of 2024, gone. 4 months ahead of us. Big things, major, enormous thing coming up. It was supposed to be 2 weeks ago. Some delays. It's still under construction. Something big is coming up for the Fibonacci-Traders elite team of traders. Something big you never saw before in the trading community, whether in USA, Europe, of course in Israel. No one's seen it before. I know it for sure. Be prepared. If you want to be part of this amazing thing coming up, join us, the Fibonacci-Traders Discord. Fresh. Let's check fresh. Once again, Andre, thank you very much for this amazing super chat. I appreciate you and everyone else. I'm not taking anyone for granted. I know it's your time. Time costs money. Time is precious. So let's get forward. FRSH, Freshworks Inc. Downtrend, below the sell signal, below the yellow zone. No long now, for now, on this name, SE, for Amir. Amir is one of our premium members. SE, earnings coming up Monday. So be careful. What do you see on SE? Above the yellow zone, inside the uptrend channel, above the buy signal, long continuation above 48. And here you have a gap at the 5.555. Can anyone tell me what 5555 means? AMD 2222 cuckoo. We talked about AMD. I'm talking about AMD. Every daily market recap. Yes, I took SoFi. WSO. Let's talk about WSO. WSO. What's go? Downtrend. Below the yellow zone. Downtrend. You see this level, these trend lines. The FTI gives us everything automatically. You know me, I use trend lines, I use stop loss, I use Fibonacci levels, everything. I've put all my knowledge about trend lines, Fibonacci, stop loss, position managing, everything is inside this amazing tool. The FTI, WSO, downtrend until proven otherwise, no longer is what I see. What else? I'm looking left because the chat is here. Yang, thank you very much for this amazing super chat. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you for the support. For Ares, for example, if you want to go long on S, let's go back to S, 17.1. And your yellow line is 25, 27. Okay. What it goes about, you buy right away or wait. Wait. Always wait. Never on the breakout. I want to see close above a certain level. Only once I see a close above a certain level, then I'll go long. Same goes for short. If I'm planning short, let's say for example, if I'm planning short on S below this yellow zone, below the 24, below the 25, 27, I will wait for a day or even two, closing below the level I want to go short. I hope it answers your question, Ares. Great question. Thank you very much. Fib number for the Tunisian. Yes. 5555. Crowd strike. For Yag. Once again, Yag, thank you very much for this amazing super chat. I don't know how to pop it up on the screen. As you can see, I'm not a professional YouTuber, right? I'm a professional trader. This I can assure you. YouTube, I have a lot more to learn about YouTube. Lot more to learn. CrowdStrike. Earnings coming up March 5 after the bell. CrowdStrike. Look at this. Look how the FTI helps you stop following others. Once you have the FTI, you don't need me. You have the FTI. Look, one click away. What do you see? Above a buy signal, above the yellow zone, inside the uptrend channel. What else do you see? Where to put your stop loss? You have the green line. Your stop loss should be at the 307.50. That's it. Super easy. Look at this. Boom. One click away. And the amazing tool, the only tool that provides levels of support and resistance and a roadmap for future price action, all the rest of these indicators, everything here, lagging behind price. So why do you follow something that it's lagging? You need to follow something that price follows. Yes, price follows Fibonacci. If you don't believe me, don't. And I say, don't believe me. Why? Because you don't need to believe anyone on social media, and it doesn't matter how many subscribers, followers on YouTube, Twitter, Discord, WhatsApp, any other social media. Do not believe to anyone. Question everything that you see. Question everything that you hear. You don't believe me? Take 2 years. It took me 2 years to discover that Fibonacci is everything. I went through, my students knew it. I went through, I think 90% of all these indicators. And of course, I went through numerous of strategies based on these indicators. And what did I found? No strategy, no indicator gives me what I want with the highest probability. What do we want as traders? I don't care where price came from. I can look by myself. I can look left and see that CrowdStrike from late August until today came from 150. Now it's 317. I can do it by myself, right? Look left. I have eyes. But What am I looking for in trading? The same thing you and you and you and you and every one of us is looking. What to do now? The only tool, trend lines and Fibonacci. That's it. That's it. It goes infinite to the future. Now, because I'm lazy and I don't want every time to put the Fibonacci, to put the trend lines, to see and think, did I put the Fibonacci good? This is the swing low, this is the swing high. Are those the correct trend lines? I don't want to think so much. I want to resemble to the algos, to the machines that runs the market. So this is why I've developed the FTI. It gives me everything, one click. That's it. And of course, it automates and it adjusted itself on each and every close, daily, 5, weekly, whatever you want. You can trade it. Great question. 70% on Mara. Should I sell? Earnings today. You know my point of view on going into earnings with an open position. I will not answer you. The only thing I can ask you is this. You're up 70% on Mara. If you put $1,000 in the beginning, you're up $700. $700 is a lot of money. Now don't think about how Mara can go from here after earnings. Think what will happen if Mara after earnings will crash 30, 40, 50% after earnings. What will this do to you? Now, answer your questions. What do you think you need to do if you know Mara is going to crash? Think about this way. What would you do if you already know that after earnings, Mara is going to crash? Thank you, Erez. Yag. What's so funny? What did I miss? By the way, ALB, we talked last week. Start interesting. Yeah, we talked about ALB. What's going on with ALB? Osher, I just answered it. Just answered. Should you buy Mara before earnings? And if Mara will crash 50, 60%, can you handle it? If you can handle a crash 50, 60%, do it. ALB starting to broke above this trend, but let's see. You see I have an alert? I want to see a break above the 136. I want to see above 136, then it's going 153. What else do we have? This is the point of view, Roy. This is the only point of view. My mindset, and all my students know it. My mindset is like this. As traders, we risk money. We risk our own hard-earned money. Now, to protect this money, what do we need to think? What will be the worst case scenario? And then we prepare for the worst case. It's very easy to prepare for the best scenario. For Mara to the moon, Bitcoin to the moon, SoFi to the moon. Super easy to prepare for it, right? But as traders, we need to protect our money. Once we lose our money, that's it. We are out of business. So how do we protect our money? We prepare for the worst case scenario. What's the worst case scenario? Every trade that I'm going to take, in my mindset, I'm going to lose money. Every trade. I don't think how much I'm going to win. I'm going to lose. I'm telling myself this trade and this trade and this trade. Every trade, I'm going to lose money. Now, it's more easy for me to think how much, if I'm going to lose money, and anyway I'm going to take this trade, How much money am I willing to lose? Each and every week, each and every month, each and every day, on each and every trade. We break down. This is also something we emphasize on the one-on-one mentorship program. Risk management. First we need to learn how to protect what we already have. Then the gains, the profits, they will take care of themselves. And we learn brick by brick how to manage risk, how we put on money each and every trade, the breakdown from how much am I willing to lose each and every month to how much am I willing to lose each and every week, how much am I willing to lose each and every day, and how much money am I willing to lose on each and every trade. Something we emphasize from the first minute we meet in the one-on-one mentorship. Stop loss. Yeah, stop loss doesn't do anything on earnings. Do not trade earnings. That's it. What else do we have? PLAB. Yeah, I'm not a professional YouTuber. Yeah, I'm telling the truth. I'm not. PLAB. Below the trend line, inside the yellow zone, below the sell signal. Nothing much, my friend. Nothing much. Short below this one, and this gap at the 2180 is going to get filled. All good, Osher, all good. Hi, Aniv. Hello, hello. Yes, that's true. I was talking about minor stocks generally. Minor stocks generally. Anything else? Any more questions? We are already 40 minutes into this live. Nice. Did you hit the like? Did you hit the subscribe? Did you hit the notification bell? I saw you didn't do it. Hit the notification bell. Hit the like. Hit the subscribe. So futures basically inside the downtrend channel, and as you can see, the yellow zone, super tough resistance. Let's see if we want to go long on futures or SPY, we need to break above the 50-70. What else do we have? There's the stocks doing today. Pre-market, Apple basically on zero, AMD going down 1%, Google 0.7, Microsoft on the zero, Nvidia 1%. Netflix 0.7, underrated in my opinion. Netflix, no one talks about Netflix, and Netflix is a beast. Look at Netflix, pure beast. Above 600, it's going to 7. What else do we have? SOXX, of course, going down, SMH going down, Tesla a little bit green, 0.3 overall. What else? Semyon, PLTR. I also have cup and handle in my kitchen. Cup and handle. I don't know what is cup and handle. I know what cup and handle. I don't follow patterns. You know why? Because they don't exist. They exist here, not on the chart. The chart, you have uptrend channel above the yellow zone, but we are still below the sell signal. Long on PLTR above 25.50 and then 31.60 and 41.50 to the upside. I surge. What do we have here? Careful, you have a very tough resistance at the 392. This should be your line in the sand. Below 374, you're going 360 and then towards this gap at the 332. Sol. What is Sol? You sure? Lital? Sol? Or once again your Android keyboard makes mistakes. Anyway, join the Discord, ladies and gentlemen. We are still in the beginning of 2024. If you're serious about becoming a professional trader, if you're serious about taking the leap of faith towards your financial freedom, join the Fibonacci-Traders Discord. I assure you, you will not regret it. It will be the best investment. You don't need to. If you don't want, it's okay. But learn, take education, invest in yourself. That's it. This is my only tip I can give you. Invest in yourself. So, thank you very much for joining this live. Tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, for sure, no live. I'm packing, I'm middle of the night, I'm going. Tomorrow, Thursday, we'll see. Maybe we'll be live, maybe earlier, maybe after the opening bell. Maybe we'll do a special live for Fibonacci Traders Discord, for Fibonacci Discord members. Anyway, thank you very much for joining this live. I enjoyed it very much. If you did also, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. On Fibonacci Discord Maverick.